Hello, friends and family. Hope you are all doing well. Hope you are all safe from pandemic COVID-19. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your learning Turkish language. It's so important to learn every language in the world. I was every time teach to the people Turkish language into Somali, but now I started to teach Turkey in English that I think that everyone need to Turkish in English. Thank you again and again. Today our lesson is about, first before I start the lesson, this is the lesson 4, and the other lesson links I will be posted into the YouTube, and I please say to you, subscribe, like, comment and share to your friend and family to advantage the learning Turkish language for easy and free. Our lesson is about today good morning in Turkish. Good morning in Turkish. What meaning good morning in Turkish? Good morning in Turkish aside, günaydın. Today, two persons they will be confessed, or 3 person. I think the lesson is about 3 person because 2 persons are introduced already, or each and another, and new one come. Then the new one come. They introduce each and another. It's about like that the lesson. Okay, going. Günaydın İsmail. Günaydın İsmail. You read Günaydın İsmail. Günaydın İsmail. Good morning Ismail. That means good morning Ismail. Günaydın Aisha. Good morning Aisha. Our lesson is about lesson 4. This is the Iska to you. Konuşma means conversation, dialogue. Günaydın İsmail. Günaydın İsmail. It is translated in front of it. For this, Günaydın İsmail. Good morning Ismail. It is easy. I think it is easy. Günaydın Aisha. Nasılsın? Günaydın Aisha. Nasılsın? Good morning Aisha. How are you? Nasılsın? What mean? How are you? Sağolsun means thank you. Thanks. Sağol. Also that they are all same. Sağolsun, sağol, teşekkür, şakur. They are all same, and they are all in thank you, thanks. She said sağolsun. Sorry, he said sağolsun. Ben de iyiyim, yesin. Sağolsun. Ben de iyiyim, yesin. Thanks. I'm fine, and you? Şakur. Thanks. İyilik. Fine. Book him. Who's this? Thanks, I'm fine. Who is this? In Turkish, thanks, I'm fine. Who is this? Is Shakur, iyilik, book him. Bu arkadaşım İbrahim. Bu arkadaşım. This is the new person for coming. Bu arkadaşım İbrahim. He is my friend Ibrahim. So because this is not, he's not thing is person. So you must to say he is my friend Ibrahim. Bu arkadaşım İbrahim in Turkish. In English, he is my friend Ibrahim. Seni onunla. I want to introduce to you him. Seni onunla tanıştırmak istiyorum. İstiyorum means want. We cannot translate for what to what. We cannot translate, but we translate for the sentence. So the Turkish is every time translate for sentence. The Turkish is not every time cannot translate in word by word. We just try to translate, but we just try to translate word by word. We try. So I want to understand full. I want to understand you fully. Thank you. Seni onunla tanıştırmak istiyorum. La means onun, separate. La means with pronunciation in English. Pronunciation, sorry, pronunciation is not. It is. It is. I forget, but it is. It is with means. With means. I forget. No problem. But leave comment in below. Seni onunla tanıştırmak istiyorum. I want to introduce you to him. Waxaan rabaa, sorry, I want to introduce you to him. Merhaba, ben İbrahim Somaliyim. Beside merhaba, ben İbrahim Somaliyim. Ben İbrahim Somaliyim. Hello, I'm Ibrahim and I'm Somali. Merhaba, ben Aisha Turkum. Hello, I'm Aisha and I'm Turkey. Kaç yaşındasınız? There are two pronunciation in Turkish, or two writing in Turkish, formal and informal. Formal is yaşındasın. Informal means yaşındasınız. Like nasılsın is formal, nasılsınız is informal. Kaç yaşındasınız? How old are you? Kaç yaşındasınız? How old are you? 22 yaşındayım. Sen kaç yaşındayım? Sen kaç yaşındasın? You say sen kaç yaşındasın? It's hand wrong. It's right hand. It's writing wrong. But you say sen kaç yaşındasın? Sen kaç yaşındasın? I'm 22 years, or I'm 22 years old, and you. Sen kaç yaşındasın? 22. It is 22 year. 22. It is 22. Or 22. How you can understand? 22 is 22. So he said, 22 yaşındayım. I'm 22 years old. Sen kaç yaşındasın? Sen kaç yaşındasın? And you. That means, and you, how old are you? She said, 17 yaşındayım. On means 10. 7 means 7. So she said, I'm 17 yaşındayım. Or 17 yaşındayım. That means I'm 17 years old. I'm 17 years old. Also she said, tanıştığımıza memnun oldum. You every time try to hide the word or the letter of yumshaga. Yumshaga is hiding. Yumshaga is no sound. So you say when you want to read, or when you want to pronunciate, you say tanish ti imiza. Tanish, you unsound. Yumshaga again and again. Try to understand. Tanish imiza memnun oldum. That means I am blessed to meet you. I am blessed to meet you. Bende Aisha. Me too, Aisha. Aisha means Aisha. Bende Aisha. Me too, Aisha. They introduce each and another. Our lesson is in. The lesson 4 is about this, but the other lessons are so interesting. So keep going. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, and don't forget to turn on the bell to going with the new update videos. Breviary is writer, editor, lecturer by Ismail Muhammad Omar. Copyright absolutely is Iska tube. There's no another tube that can be post this video. This this video has copyright to Iska to you. Thank you for watching again and again. Subscribe please, like and leave comment for more video. Also we teach to the people Turkish language in English and in Somali. If you want to show Somali into English language, I will teach you. Please only leave a comment. If you want to learn Somali language, leave comment. I will teach you. Contact to WhatsApp group of students. There is WhatsApp group of students that are international students. Everyone, every country, worldwide. You can connect to this number. Then I will add you to the group. Then you are going this power bounty. The other lesson is everything for about language, and I will teach you English, Turkish, Somali, French, Italian, if Allah wills. It's absolutely free language learning. It's absolutely, our YouTube is about free languages learning. Please, I request you to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.